Did you know? Dogs can be scared by certain sounds. High-pitched noises. Sounds like vacuums and electric razors make dogs uneasy. Thunder. The sound of thunder can be terrifying for dogs, especially the sudden loud cracks. Fireworks. The loud bangs during fireworks can startle dogs, especially those explosions. Horns. Car horns and train whistles can stress dogs out. Arguments and screaming. The sound of raised voices or yelling during an argument makes dogs feel uneasy, and they may even try to intervene or hide. Is your dog afraid of these sounds? How do you help them cope?